What's up, everybody? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today we are somewhere far. You already know we are in South Sudan, and we have another trip going to Bor today. We are going to see Bor County in South Sudan, and we are going to use a public bus. So stay tuned because this video is going to be big, amazing, and the best video I ever made in this channel. If you want to see my traveling videos, you have to make sure you subscribe and get connected. Like the video and tell me whatever you think. If the video is good, bad, or anything, tell me your comment. So let's go and see Bor. How is Bor town? See you guys there. Let's go. Right now I'm here in Gudele. This is the area I stay. This Gudele. Yeah. So I'm in Gudele right now. So I'm just going to the public bus. That's how I dress. Just very easy. But later I will go and change. So I just dress easy. This is my bag where I carry my things. I have my clothes, just simple clothes. This is my traveling bag. Wherever I go, all my videos you will see this bag. This is my traveling bag. So wherever I'm going, so I will go with this bag. I don't have very many things that I carry with me, so I just move along. So this is the area. This area is called Gudele. From this side and this side. This is how South Sudan look like. This is the Gudele side. So right now I'm going to the park. There's a lot of trees around, man. All this side. So the area is empty because it's right now, today is Saturday. So I think a lot of people are just in the houses and are just enjoying, bro. So it is gonna be a long journey and a nice ever journey that I ever made in this channel. Please sub up and let's check out my favorite place, Bor town. Yep, this side is a Gudele side. So right now I'm going to the main road. This is the area. Right now I'm going to the main road and I'm using this road. I'm currently like just footing. This is how I dress. Just a very simple dress. You see my necklace is always in the place. Yeah, I just dress simple because I'm going to take some days. I want to go and visit like cattle camps. I want to visit a lot of different places to unlock them, unless we have to first reach there. So I'll go and tell you more. But right now, since we're starting the journey, we'll just be moving around here. Yeah, this one, there's a field around here where people used to go and play football. People play football here mostly in this field. So this field is big. Sometimes the match used to happen here around here. This one, guys, have you ever seen Bor town? Bor town is one of the county in South Sudan, and I'm going to visit it today. So man, I'm so excited. There even event here happening. I told you before, there's some event which used to happen. Yeah. Salamat. There's even event happening here, man. I don't know if I can go and check it out. This is Ben. This is the very big field. This field is made in the area here, where all the people in the area used to be together. Like they come together, they have match area to another area. It used to be a very big match because they bring different people around here. Yeah. So the name Gudele is there. I'll go and show you. It is written in some wall. This event, I don't know what the event all about. I can see like that Mundari dressing. We shall come and see later. But I'm traveling today. Wait later. I'm traveling today, guys. I'm going to Bor today. So right now we are in the field and we will be going to the park, bus park, and we'll go and pick our car there from there. Yeah. So if you want to see this one, the field is like this, and it's very, very, very big. Oh mashallah, this is South Sudan, bro. This is Juba, South Sudan. Let me show you the name Gudele. It is here written here. Gudele is here written here. This is Gudele. This is where I am right now. So it's like there's a graduation here because I'm seeing these women who are selling these gifts for graduation. So right now I'm going to the main road. Yep. I'm still in the area here, just almost to the main road, bro. can see a lot of people are moving here. A lot of people from here, this side, to also this side. There's a lot of event happening today. Don't know what's happening. This one. There's a lot of things happening here, man. Yeah. Right now, I'm almost to the main road. Almost. We are going to take our bus to Bor Town, and I hope it's gonna be an amazing journey and nice one, without complaint, bro. Nice one. I'm so excited to go and see Bor for the first time. Yeah. Very excited. So there's a shop here. Wagwan, guys. How are you, man? Tell me where I am right now. Tell me where we are. Gudele. Okay. Today I'm traveling to Bor, so I'm just moving around. After that we'll go. How are you guys? Tamam. Let's go. So let's move around the hood before we move. Gudele. There's also water tank here. People sell water using the water tank. This bus for water. So they're carrying our bus because South Sudan has a lot of water, but they did not put the pipe on the houses. So they are using this bus for water tank. Yep. This is the shop. The main road is there. Let's wrap it up. We'll go. Quality.
Có cái ớt tụi leo được không biết đâu. Ớt tụi cái ní yêu cái đàn tụi cái gì ứng tuổi. Đấy thì là nó rồi đi ao cái giờ rồi. Coi cô ra cái chấm. Coi gà leo mà nào cái chấm. Cái đi ở quậy cái gì đi chơi với lôi tụi quậy dài đi cái tên mình. Enggak udah bindi we. Iya we ngundem.
Bima wala mo bi laro bi wala.
Yordan. Oh, the bilti mere. Nah, pilih. Pariya, okay. Mangai dan jonglei. Kim dia ti jonglei ni. Dia kita dah yang puji. Dia mana kini sampai dah kini dia. Dia tim ni pen lah belah.
January, kan you?
Kina cho?
Dari mau ni nanti. Dah betul.
वो कुछ बना बिल्कुल
Asal dulu.
वो ही कर देना
Guys, I don't know what's really happened. I misplaced my own camera in the back. I was recording in the bus. When we reached to the police station, they said I should not record. So I was holding the camera. I did not know whether I put it in the back or I left in the car. When I reached to the hotel where I supposed to stay, I removed everything, my bag, but I did not remove one thing, computer. But computer has a different side. When I was moving in the bus, I think I forgot it. And right now, guess what? I got the camera. It's the one I'm using for recording. This is very bad. I just take only 2 days in Bor because I misplaced my camera, so I had to come back. Right now I'm back in Juba. This is the same usual house I have. Nothing more. I'm so sad. I think we shall have another trip going there, whereby we have to explore more. 5 days ago, I was so excited to go and see Bor, and I did it. I came, but I misplaced my camera in the back. I removed everything. You know, my bag, my traveling bag is a very small bag. But how come this camera, the camera I'm using right now is Action 4. That's the only camera I have. But when I misplaced it, it ruined everything. Like all my plans are not going on. I was overstressed, but right now I got it back. Thank God I did not leave it in the bus, because the bus I was using is a public bus, whereby you don't even have contact with those people. Even though you go to the bus station, they cannot give you the contact of those people who are traveling. This is bad. I came back last night, and right now it's 8 a.m. in the morning. What is this? Okay, thank you guys. We got back the camera. Like the stream. Like this one. Shout out. See you in the next video. We're gonna have fun.